Looking to achieve a flawless, even lawn? In this video, we'll reveal the best lawn leveling rake to help you smooth out bumps and fill low spots with ease. Stay tuned to transform your yard into a perfectly leveled paradise. Number 1. Rockland Lawn Leveling Rake. The Rockland Lawn Leveling Rake stands out as a reliable and efficient tool for homeowners and professionals who are serious about maintaining a level and healthy lawn. Designed with practicality in mind, this tool helps eliminate uneven patches, dips, and divots in your yard by easily distributing soil and dirt. The ground plate measures a practical 30 inches by 10 inches, offering the ideal balance between coverage area and ease of maneuverability. It's large enough to level significant sections of lawn, but compact enough to control with precision. The 78-inch extra-long handle is a game-changer, letting users cover more ground with each pass while reducing strain on the back and arms. Additionally, the handle is adjustable, with a removable section that converts it to a shorter 50-inch handle, catering to various tasks and user preferences. One of the standout features of the Rockland Lawn is its versatility. It works effectively on multiple grass types, including Bermuda, Kentucky bluegrass, ryegrass, St. Augustine, and fescue. It performs best when the grass is trimmed to 1.5 inches or lower, ensuring smooth and consistent soil distribution. The double spot welded stainless steel construction ensures this rake will endure rigorous use without bending or breaking, while its manageable 8-pound weight strikes a good balance between sturdiness and ease of handling. Whether you're leveling soil after aerating, filling low spots, or spreading top dressing material, the Rockland Lawn Leveling Rake makes the job simpler and faster. It's particularly helpful in maintaining the even surface essential for sports fields, golf courses, or a manicured home lawn. Number 2. Dremmt Lawn Leveling Rake. The Dremmt Lawn Leveling Rake offers an impressive blend of versatility, durability, and ergonomic design, making it an excellent choice for both seasoned landscapers and weekend yard warriors. Marketed as a multifunctional lawn tool, it not only excels at leveling lawns, but also efficiently spreads topsoil, sand, gravel, and fertilizer. This all-in-one functionality means fewer tools are needed in your garage, saving both space and expense. The rake features a solid 72-inch ergonomic handle, slightly curved for comfortable use over long periods. Its thoughtful design reduces fatigue and provides superior control, making it possible to finish medium to large lawn projects in as little as 30 minutes. Built to last, the Dremmt Lawn Leveling Rake is constructed with a rugged 2mm thick stainless steel bottom plate and a reinforced handle that resists bending or breaking under pressure. Its ideal weight distribution adds stability during use, preventing tipping or uneven handling. Available in 3 sizes, 30 inches by 10 inches, 35 inches by 10 inches, and a generous 45 inches by 10 inches, this tool can accommodate any yard size, from small suburban lawns to expansive fields. The varying sizes provide flexibility for precise leveling in tight spots or efficient coverage of wide open areas. One of the thoughtful bonuses that set the Dremmt rake apart is its complete kit, which includes gardening gloves and lawn chairs. This makes it perfect for beginners or anyone looking to refresh their lawn care toolkit. The rake is also simple to assemble, with all necessary tools included, so users can get started right away. Whether you're a professional landscaper aiming for flawless turf or a DIY enthusiast striving for a neatly manicured yard, this rake offers dependable performance and convenience. Number 3. Meoligr Lawn Leveling Rake. The Meoligr Lawn Leveling Rake is an excellent option for anyone seeking a well-built, durable, and user-friendly lawn care tool. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, this rake boasts impressive resistance to rust, wear, and deformation, making it suitable for use in a range of weather conditions. Whether you're a professional landscaper or a home gardening enthusiast, this rake's durability ensures it will withstand regular and demanding use. The 30 inches by 10 inches contact size at the base is ideal for managing various lawn and soil care tasks, such as spreading topsoil, leveling gravel, and smoothing sand, making it a versatile addition to any tool collection. The rake features an ergonomically designed non-slip handle that is both adjustable in length and angle, reducing hand fatigue and enhancing control during extended use. This makes it easier to tackle uneven surfaces and redistribute soil efficiently without straining your back or wrists. The thoughtful design ensures comfort and ease of use, which is particularly important for larger projects or frequent lawn maintenance. Assembly is straightforward, requiring only the installation of 4 screws to secure the handle, and it disassembles just as easily for convenient storage when not in use. Another advantage of the Meoligr rake is its responsive after-sales service. The manufacturer stands behind the product, offering support should any issues arise, providing buyers with extra peace of mind.
Number 4. Hidealife Lawn Leveling Rake. The Hidalife Lawn Leveling Rake is a practical and efficient tool designed to simplify the process of achieving a beautifully level lawn. With its ground plate measuring 30 inches by 10 inches, this rake covers a generous surface area while remaining easy to maneuver. It's perfect for homeowners and professionals who need to quickly and evenly distribute soil, topsoil, sand, or compost over a lawn. Suitable for use on grass varieties like Kentucky bluegrass, Bermuda, and drygrass, the Hidalife rake is a versatile choice for various applications, including residential lawns, golf courses, and sports fields. One of its standout features is the adjustable 78-inch handle, which can be shortened or lengthened to suit different tasks or user preferences. This feature allows for comfortable, efficient work without unnecessary bending or fatigue, making it an ideal tool for both quick touch-ups and larger lawn projects. The handle's modular design makes assembly straightforward and storage hassle-free, as it can be disassembled when not in use. Constructed from premium stainless steel, the Hidalife Lawn Leveling Rake is rust-proof, sturdy, and resistant to corrosion. This ensures a long service life even with frequent exposure to damp or harsh outdoor conditions. The strong connection between the head and pole guarantees stability during use, preventing the tool from loosening or detaching while in operation. Number 5. Lanzi Lawn Leveling Rake. The Lanzi Lawn Leveling Rake is a premium tool designed for lawn care enthusiasts and professionals looking for dependable, efficient lawn leveling solutions. Known for its durability and thoughtful engineering, this rake quickly transforms uneven lawns into smooth, even surfaces. The Lanzi rake's design allows it to stay flat against the ground during use, leveling soil more effectively and quickly than many competing tools. Available in sizes ranging from 24 inches to a substantial 48 inches, it caters to various lawn sizes and project scopes. Built with heavy-duty powder-coated steel, the Lanzi Lawn Leveler offers outstanding durability, easily withstanding the rigors of frequent and demanding use. Assembly and storage are refreshingly simple. Users can easily attach the rake head to the pole, and when the job's done, disassembly is quick, with convenient pole storage on the rake head itself. This thoughtful design detail ensures the tool is easy to store and transport, making it a favorite among professional landscapers. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.